If your car's New South Wales registration has expired, but it's within 3 months of the expiry date, you're still able to renew the registration. The vehicle will be registered from the day you make the renewal payment, but there will be no extension of the expiration day. If the registration expired more than 3 months ago, you'll need to re-register the vehicle. The appropriate course of action involves fixing the issues recognized throughout the unsuccessful inspection, scheduling another inspection to make sure the car satisfies safety standards, and afterwards renewing the registration once it passes inspection. Suppose your car fails the inspection due to malfunctioning brakes. You have to take the car to a qualified mechanic to fix the brakes. After the repair services are completed, you arrange one more inspection to guarantee the brakes now satisfy the requirements. As soon as the car passes the inspection, you can proceed to renew the registration. Driving a car without registration is against the law in Australia and can bring about fines or penalties if caught. It is important to adhere to the guidelines and ensure the car is registered appropriately before driving it on public roads. Safety is another concern, as automobiles are checked to ensure they fulfill safety standards and are safe to drive. Failing an inspection might suggest considerable mechanical or other car issues that could jeopardize the safety of the driver, passengers, and others on the road. Acting without delay after an unsuccessful inspection is essential to prevent driving an unregistered car for an extensive period of time. Avoiding repair work and re-inspection might lead to even more concerns and potential legal problem. To sum up, if a car fails inspection for registration renewal, it is essential to instantly stop driving the car, resolve the car problems, pass an additional inspection, and restore the registration before driving the car again. This approach ensures conformity with the legislation, prioritizing safety on the roads, and lowers the danger of charges or fines for driving an unregistered vehicle.